Morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this morning I'm going to show you my actual typing test at RareJob. Okay, so my result is 70 word per minute. Case strokes is 174, correct words 35 words, and wrong words 0. Okay, so 70 words per minute is actually uh, excellent or very good. So this I mean the passing I believe is at least uh, 35 words per minute above, so that's the passing. So if you can type more than 35 words per minute, then you'll definitely pass the typing test at a rare job. So if you notice guys, when I type uh, not really bragging, but I was really fast. Uh, the reason I was really the reason I'm fast when typing in the keyboard is because I'm using the butterfly fingers, or should I say the natural uh, typing technique, which I actually have a separate tutorial video about it on how to uh, type as you know type so fast in just a matter of months. So it takes time, practice, and patience. So please check it out. You can click the description of the video to check that tutorial video on some tips that can help you improve your typing speed. All right, so that's it for today's video. So this is the actual typing test that RareJob will give you during your typing test evaluation at RareJob. So again, we're gonna retake the typing speed for the last time. Okay, so I was a bit slow for the second time, but again, it takes practice until you improve. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments, your thoughts about this video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Keep safe, everyone.